Hello, this is Yagit. I tried to make a film with this vines leaves. I don't know what's the name to it, but I tried. I tasted and it tastes delicious. Up here in USA, it's been in the news that there is a storm for 60 to 90 days, and those who have no much groceries in their house, you can grow something like this, or mushrooms. Will grow in winter, and this one too, because it didn't die. Some of the leaves are already died, but this one, I don't know what's the name of this one, but I test this one, like, it's delicious. So this is eatable, and I want to grow this one for the snowstorm here in USA, and I want to get some more mushrooms for it, because I don't have much for the whole 90 days for groceries consumption, and I want to grow this one, and this is good. I don't know what's the name of this one, but I test it and it's good. I want to plant it, and hoping it will help me. Goodie.